Hello viewers, I am Maitli. Today we are going to see 10 CBSE Maths Triangle exercise 6.5 question number 8. Let's see the question. In the figure, O is a point in the interior of a triangle. There is a point O in the interior of a triangle ABC. OD is perpendicular to BC. OE is perpendicular to AC. OF is perpendicular to AB. Now we need to show that OA square plus OB square plus OC square minus OD square minus OE square minus OF square is equal to AF square plus BD square plus C square. If you see the question, you will feel little tough. It's very easy actually. Now let's see what all sides are given. OA. Let us join OA, OB and OC because it's given. So let me join it. Now let us take the side OA. OA is here, OB is here, OC is here, OD is here. Already it is been joined. OE is here, OF. Now AF. We will take a triangle. AF is this side of a triangle. Let me take this triangle because OF is there. Sorry, AF is there. OA is there, OF is here, so let me take this triangle. Then BD is here, so let me take this triangle as BD is here. Now C is here, so let me take this triangle. The alternate triangles, I am taking the alternate triangles, or as it is plus or minus over here, blindly go with Pythagoras theorem because it is of square and plus. In Pythagoras theorem, we know that hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the two squares. Already there are 90 degree over here. So blindly go with Pythagoras theorem, taking this triangles, taking the side as AF, BD and CE is given. You can take this triangles. Now, given OD is perpendicular to BC, OE is perpendicular to AC, OF is perpendicular to AB. To prove, write the first subdivision. We are going to prove only the first subdivision now. So in the first subdivision, I am taking in triangle AFO, angle F is equal to 90 degree. So by Pythagoras, we know this is 90 degree. So your hypotenuse side will be the opposite of the 90 degree. So AO square. So AO square is equal to AF square plus OF square. This is by Pythagoras theorem. I am writing in short form, write it completely. Now in the second one, we know in triangle, this triangle I need to take. So triangle BOD, angle D equal to 90 degree. So by Pythagoras, we know that hypotenuse square 90 degrees here, so hypotenuse is BO. BO square is equal to BD square plus OD square. Now in third one, in triangle COE, angle E equal to 90 degree. So this is 90 degree means your hypotenuse will be OC square. OC square or CO square. OE square plus CE square. Now let me take this to be 1, 2 and 3 by Pythagoras. Now adding 1, 2, 3. Adding in the sense add all the LHS together, RHS together. Adding equation 1, 2 and 3, we get AO square plus BO square plus CO square is equal to, or OA square, whatever it is, whatever is given, write in that form. Here in the RHS we have AF square plus OF square plus BD square plus OD square plus OE square plus CE square. Add all the LHS here, all the RHS there. Now we want a OA square. To prove here, we have minus OD square minus OE square. Bring all the OD, OF and OE to your LHS side. To your LHS side means to this side. Now we have OA square plus OB square. I am writing in what they have given. BO or OA, OB, everything is same. Plus OC square minus, yeah, bringing to this side it becomes negative. So plus will become minus. So minus OE square. Here to this side minus OF square. This side minus OD square, which is equal to AF square plus BD square plus CE square. This is what we want to prove. We have proved it. So write it as hence proved. So first subdivision is over. We have proved it. We'll move on to the second subdivision. In the second subdivision, this of this what is given here. So leave it of this. Now we'll move on to this. This is AE square plus CD square. AE is this side. So this side we want. So I am taking this triangle, the star triangle I am taking. This part I am taking, this triangle. CD square. CD is somewhat here. So I am taking this triangle. The alternate triangles now. The next triangle of the dotted triangle we are going to take same Pythagoras theorem, because same plus C over here. So we'll do Pythagoras theorem for this triangle and this triangle. Now let's see. The second subdivision, in triangle AOE, angle E is equal to 90 degrees. So by Pythagoras we can write OA square. OA square equal to, this is the hypotenuse here. So OA square equal to AE square plus OE square. In triangle BOF angle F is equal to 90 degree. So OB square equal to BF square plus OF square. In triangle COD, angle D equal to 90 degree. So by Pythagoras, we need to write by Pythagoras. So for all the thing, OC square equal to OD square plus DC square. Now adding same way, adding LHS and RHS. Now let me take this to be 4 and 5 and 6. Already we have taken 1, 2, 3. So I am taking this to be 4, 5, 6. Adding 4, 5, 6 we get 4, 5, 6 we get OA square plus OB square plus OC square equal to AE square plus OE square plus OD square plus DC square plus BF square plus FO square. Now we want only AE. AE here it is CD. CD and BF. Bring all the rest to the LHS side. Now OA square plus OB square plus OC square minus OE square minus OD square minus OF square is equal to AE square plus CD square plus BF square. Already we know that this is equal to AF square plus BD square plus C square, because this what is came in the LHS of the second equation. So we can directly substitute, instead of this we can substitute the value of AF square plus BD square plus C square. So instead of this I am substituting AF square. Instead of LHS I am substituting the value of AF square plus BD square plus C square, which is equal to AE square plus CD square plus BF square. Hence proved. That's all with the sum. We have proved the second subdivision also. Thank you.